Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made a pot of delicious sweet potatoes. Let's get started. I have here my potatoes which I've peeled, cut into smaller sizes and washed very well. I left them in water here so that it will not change color. In a dry pot, heat up about 2 tablespoons of palm oil. Add some chopped onions and fry for a bit. After frying it for about a minute or until it is soft, I add some crayfish. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of crayfish. Add and stir also, continue to fry. Then I add my tomato and a pepper mix. I have a mixture of tomatoes, pepper, garlic, ginger and some onions which are already boiled and blended. I'll then mix together. I will also be adding some cooked beef and the chicken which I cut into tiny pieces. Sometimes I use smoked fish, but today this is what I'm using. I'll stir it together. I will also add a little bit of salt and 2 seasoning cubes. Stir and then cover and allow to fry for about 3-4 minutes before I continue. It is now time to add our peeled potatoes, but before then I have some meat stock which I'll add to it, and I will also add some water. Stir everything together, then add in the potatoes. After about 15 minutes, you can see that our potato is well cooked now. I'll go ahead and stir it again. As I'm stirring it, I'm also mashing some because I want to get enough puri or poto poto. I don't know what it's called. But the porridge, I want to get enough porridge. I want it juicy. Then I'll mash some of the potatoes and stir very well. At this point, our sweet potato porridge is ready to be served. But hold on, I'm not done yet. I have some vegetable here, green. We call it green, which I'll be adding to it. I'll add the green and then stir. Once I add it, I'll put off my stove and stir it together. The heat from the porridge will cook the vegetable. And then we serve. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please click the like button now if you haven't. And also share the video at the end of it. And subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. I love you all. Bye.